So the desktop version now has a subscription model. So even before they kind of canceled the lower tiers of the desktop version, they went into the subscription model. Now, I just want to give a little bit of history on this so you can get an idea of what has happened over time and how the functionality has changed from desktop versions to online software. Now, you'll recall that most software before this, even if you compare it to like Microsoft Office products like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, you used to buy those softwares, physically put them on your computer. So the software was on your computer. If you're using Microsoft Excel, the software you can think of, in essence, on your computer because you've installed it, right? And then you can make as many Excel files that you want from that version, and you don't have to pay more for each of the Microsoft Excel worksheets that you build or workbooks that you build from the software. So that's going to be like the desktop version, similar to the desktop version for QuickBooks, meaning the QuickBooks is like the Microsoft Excel on your computer. And if I want to make multiple QuickBooks files, I can do that without having to pay for each new company file. Now, you can see how that can have a particular business model that is great, because then I just make one purchase of the software and I don't have to purchase new software every time I make a new company file. And that's kind of nice for a particular type of business model. Then they went to a subscription model even for the desktop version of the software. So that meant that if you didn't pay on a yearly basis, then you might not have access again to the software anymore on the desktop version. It's pretty clear, it seems to me, that the subscription model is one of the reasons that Intuit really likes the online version, because what they would like to have happen is every time you start a new company file, they want you to pay for the new for the new company file. So it's not going to be like Excel where you can make as many worksheets or workbooks as you want, but rather you're on the cloud and you're paying for each new company file. So that's going to be the idea of it that they're moving towards. Now, notice that